Imagine waking up every day feeling trapped, stuck in a job that drains you, where your dreams feel just out of reach, and the weight of a 9-to-5 holds you back. What if there was a way to break free? To gain the skills you need to thrive and to start earning money right away, all without spending a dime? That's where MAP B2B comes in. We're here to empower you, to help you take control of your future and unlock a life of financial freedom and personal fulfillment. And it all begins with one simple, life-changing step: claiming your free How to Market online course, valued at $600. Step 1. Claim your free course. This isn't just a course. It's your key to a new beginning. Valued at $600, this training is yours completely free. You'll dive into the world of online marketing, gaining practical, powerful skills that can transform your life. Whether you want to start a side hustle, launch your own venture, or simply break free from the daily grind, this course opens the door to opportunities you never thought possible. Step 2. Earn while you learn. But it doesn't stop there. The moment you claim your free course, you'll also unlock an incredible bonus from Dori O'Neill. How to enroll your first MAP member in 60 minutes or less. This isn't just extra training. It's your fast track to earning money right away. In just 1 hour, you'll learn how to invite others into the MAP B2B community and start building your own MAP team. As your team grows, you'll earn commissions, turning your new knowledge into income from day one. Step 3. Build your team, break the chains. This is where the real transformation happens. By engaging with Dori's bonus course, you're not just learning, you're building. You're creating a network of like-minded people, all working together towards success. And with every step, you're breaking the chains of employment bondage. No more clocking in for someone else. No more living by their rules. You're paving the way to financial freedom for you and your family. A path where every effort you put in benefits you. Step 4. Become your own boss. Picture this: a life where you're your own boss, setting your own hours and living on your terms. With MAP B2B, that's not a distant dream. It's a real possibility. The skills you gain, the team you build, and the income you earn all lead to one destination: a life of autonomy and abundance. You decide what success looks like, and you make it happen. Bonus support: over $5,000 in tools for your journey. And Dori O'Neill is with you every step of the way. Beyond his bonus course, he's providing over $5,000 in additional bonuses, resources designed to help you succeed far beyond just making money. These tools are about building a life you love, with the guidance and support to thrive in every way. You're not just gaining skills, you're gaining a future. Take action. Now. This is your moment. Don't let another day pass feeling stuck or unfulfilled. Go to yesshowme.com/map right now to claim your free How to Market online course and start your journey today. It's free, it's immediate, and it's the first step toward the life you've always dreamed of. Your freedom is waiting. Take control and unlock it now.